How to install WordPress to your cPanel. This is a step-by-step video so you can go ahead and follow easily. Now I am inside my cPanel right here, and all you have to do is to go ahead and navigate through the featured applications. If you cannot go ahead and see this, you want to navigate through the web applications right here. You want to go ahead and look for the WordPress application, and you want to click on it. From here, you can then go ahead and see the big installation button. Scroll down, and you will now go ahead and see the install application button. You can just go ahead and click on this button right here, and you will be able to install WordPress through your cPanel. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.